Hi besties, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Happy Vlogmas. Today, as you guys might have read from the title down below, I'm sharing with you guys my makeup vanity. I am so excited. I can't remember the last time I filmed one of these videos. I want to say it was back in January or even maybe last year, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I organize everything, some of my favorite everyday products, and just what my makeup vanity looks like. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. I'm doing daily videos up until Christmas. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you love it, and let's get right into my makeup vanity. Okay, so this is a little overview of my makeup vanity. I love it. The actual white desk is from IKEA, and then the little vanity light mirror is from Amazon. I got it for Christmas last year and absolutely love it. Now this desk chair, I roll back and forth between my computer desk and my makeup vanity, but I believe it's from Wayfair. It's this beautiful pink tufted chair, and it's kind of like a velvet material. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace, which was such a steal. I have my little Lily Pulitzer pillow and this super cute pink tassel blanket on the back of it, and I love the gold detailing of it. I try my best to keep the top of my vanity very clean because I do use this as a work surface, but I have this super cute little acrylic organizer. I have no idea where this is from, but I put all of my makeup brushes in here, and a lot of them are Real Techniques. I really love their makeup brushes. I feel like they're super affordable, so I try to keep all the big face brushes over here and the littler ones in this little organizer. And then in this one I just have my favorite mascaras, which my favorite one is the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I also love using the primer for that in case you guys are curious. And then I put my little tweezers on the side of this, and then in the back I keep my big palettes. So I have this Pixie contour palette. I also have a blush palette that I haven't opened yet, and then this super beautiful Profusion Love Struck eyeshadow palette. It's so pretty, but I also feel like it just adds some color to the top of my vanity. Then again, this mirror is amazing. It's super thin, which I love, and it's touchscreen, so you just tap it on and tap it off, and it has different settings, so you can have like a yellowy light, you can have white light, so it just kind of depends what you like, and you can adjust how bright it is. I decided to sit down, so here we are. Kind of less makeup over here, but these are my go-to lipsticks. So I have Maybelline Lifter Gloss. This is one of my favorites. And then I also have my Merit Lip Oil, which I am wearing this today, and I love it. I have a picture of my husband and I have this super cute little acrylic phone stand. And then I also keep my 5-minute journal and daily journal on my desk because, like I said, I do some of my work stuff done, but this is also a great journaling desk because it's right in front of my windows. And then I also have my little Roller Rabbit pencil pouch and the super cute little Christmassy snow globe since it is the holidays. This desk has 3 different drawers, and I'm going to go through this one really quick because I don't use it that often. The very bottom, and these go all the way back, has hot tools and my hot rollers. Then I just have some unopened PR in all of these, and then this is like my little travel bag of makeup and travel size products. So I don't really use that, I just kind of use it as storage. And then this drawer, I keep a very random stuff in here. So we have my 2 makeup headbands, which kind of look gross, but this one is from Burst, and then this one I got from a small business during the pandemic, and I love them. And then I keep all of my skincare in here, so I have like some Pixie eye balm, some Pixie primer. These are like loved products. A lot of the labels wear off of them, especially when I travel with them. I have my Tarte Tease palette. I have some She Glam liquid blushes and contours along with some of their foundation. I don't really use a lot of their products on the daily, but I do like them. And then I just have some more palettes back here, and I kind of, again, don't really open this drawer as much as I open this one. So this is a little mirror that I got in a PR kit, and I love it because I'll sit here and do my makeup up close, or I'll bring it with me when I travel. And then I tried my best to use these little organizers that I got from Target. Keep all of my face products, lip products, like cream blushes and contour. This little highlight guy just fits in here. Then I have some palettes, some more highlights, my beauty blenders, and then just like organized chaos. So we have like eyeshadows, eyebrows and contour, and a cream blush from Merit. And in the back there, I just have all of my eyelash stuff. I don't really wear eyelashes on the regular. And then I also have some hair stuff back there as well. So I want to share with you guys what I have in here. I love watching people's videos and see what they keep in their makeup vanities. So I have this CoverGirl True Blend Minerals. It's in the shade Banana, and this is just a good powder. I have the Fit Me foundations in here. I have some of this Versed Glow Drops, which these are so perfect in the summertime. This is my concealer I've been using. It's the Fit Me by Maybelline concealer. I think I got this in a shade Too Light, but I still love it. This is one of my favorite products as well. It's a tinted priming moisturizer by Pixie. So amazing. I have a contour and highlight stick. This is another favorite. I need to buy some more, but it's the 4-in-1 Maybelline little face makeup. I have some Doll 10 foundation, and then I also have this Neutrogena Tinted Moisturizer, and I love this in the summertime because it has sunscreen in it. And moving on to lip products, this is really a hot mess, but this is my favorite lipstick or lip gloss. It's Pixie by Petra. It is like their lip mask. I have a Jill Stewart lip gloss. I just got this new shade of pink lipstick from Revlon. It's in the shade Pink Promise 778. It's so beautiful. And then again, just really random, got some chapstick in here. These are my favorite. This is the shade that I've been wearing like crazy. It is the Pixie Blush Cream Tinted Moisture Stick, and I think this is in the shade Juicy. It's so beautiful, but I love every single color of these. Then I also have their contour stick, which I love. This is the Born to Glow Liquid Highlight. Then I have my Beauty Blender. It's in there. This is a really jumbo one. I got these at Costco, and they have such a good deal on them. But I just have some highlight palettes. Again, I feel like this doesn't look super pretty because these are my everyday products. Then I have some Jill Stewart blushes, which are so pretty. Oh my gosh, this is one of my favorites. I've been loving the orangey blushes. Then I just have some more. This is my favorite all-time liquid highlight. It's the Liquid H2 Glow by Doll 10. Then I just have some mineral highlight. This is one of my favorite little palettes, especially when I am on the go, because sometimes I do my makeup in the car. I have some cream eyeshadows, and this is also my favorite. It's the Maybelline Brow Express. If I only could pick one thing, I love having my brows gelled up. Then I have the Merit blush and some little shimmery glitter thing in there. So I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing my makeup vanity and all of my favorite go-to products. You guys are seriously so amazing. So thank you, thank you, thank you. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below and let me know in the comments down below. Do you do your makeup at a vanity? Do you do your makeup in the bathroom? Do you do it on the go? Sometimes I do my makeup in the car. Let me know. I love chit-chatting with you guys, and I do read and respond back to every single comment. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with another new Vlogmas video. Bye, besties!